Alright folks, here comes Amtrak San Joaquin train 715 to the Oakland Jet London Square station. Here comes the D-Man we all hate and everybody's foul horn. It's 2104. Give it up for 2104. Ah! With the horn show. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial break. What 2104 lead it off? The cleaning engine. Okay folks, we are back for 715. 2104, the cleaning engine. Ah! Freaking 2104. What 8308 Mount San Gordonio. Alright folks, look at that train. That train is off to the Oakland Jet London Square, Oakland. 2104. No horn shows, please. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Bye-bye.